Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a few things in Git, like how to check our past commits. Also, we are going to see like how to see that what are the code that has been written or committed in that particular commit. Uh, Second thing, we are going to learn about how to create a proper patch file so that we can send it for review. Also, uh, there is a third thing that we are going to learn is like how to undo changes from a file. Like whatever the changes we have made, we need to undo it. Then how we can do it in Eclipse. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So this is about how to check the commits, past commits. So let's see. So here I will right click on the project. I'll go to Teams. I will go to show in history. Here you can see all your past commits, like whatever the changes you have made. You can see here 5 weeks ago I have made some changes for my first video, and now I want to check that what are the changes that were made in this particular commit. Okay, so here you can see this is one file that I have made changes to, and these are the changes. Okay, so these are the changes. So this is the changes in one file. Let's suppose there are this file. Okay, but now we can see the changes of only one file. Okay, file by file. But what if we want to see all the changes in one go? That what are the changes that were made in this particular commit? Then how can I see it? So I can open it in commit viewer. Okay, now there is something called diff. This is commit view, that these files were like committed, and this is diff view. Okay, now when I open it, I can see all the changes that were committed in my first commit. Okay, so now you can see like these are the changes that were like committed in the first go. You can see all the files and the code that have been pushed to the Git. Okay, so this is how we do it. So all the changes for that particular commit. Okay, second thing is we are going to learn is how to create a proper patch file. Okay, so let's do it. So let's suppose we are going to make some changes. Okay, let's say I'm going to modify the controllers. So in the checkout controller, instead of bye, I'm going to write goodbye. Okay, now uh, if you will see, if you'll go to Teams and go to commit, you will see that the change is there. Okay, there is some change. Okay, it has been uh, there is some change. This line has been modified. Okay, now I need to commit it. I need to create a patch. Sorry. So how can I do it? Let's see. I'm going to right click on it. I am going to create a patch. Okay. Now I'm going to go to file mode, learning it. I'm not going to change the name. This is the location that this particular, you can change the location, and I'm going to send. I'm not going to change these things. I'm going to send it. Now go to the desktop. You can see here that a patch file has been generated. You can open it with any editor or like notepad. So you can see here, this is the file that has been generated. Okay, but there are no changes I can see. There is no change, right? This is plus checkout controller, but there is nothing in the code. Why? Let's check. If I go again here and check this one in the commits, what I see, this is in the staged area. Okay, this is in the staged area, and nothing, whatever the changes we have made, the file name is coming, but the whatever the changes we have made, it's not coming. Okay, so I am not going to, uh, let's make it to the staging area. Okay, I'm ignoring this file right now because I do not want to create a patch of this one. I'm interested in checkout controller. Okay, I want to create a patch of this file, or there are multiple files which I am interested in. The files which I am not interested, I'm going to add it in. You can add it in the staged area. Okay, or add it to in the index. Now when I click on it, I go to create patch again, and I generate the same file. Okay, or we can make it one so that it is visible. Okay, now I created another patch again, and I'm going to open it. This is one second. So here you can see that the change was generated. Okay, so when you want to create a patch file, for those files you will have to keep it in unstaged area, and the files you do not want to keep temporarily, you can add it in the staged area. Once you have created a particular patch, proper patch, then you can add it, just by do it, reverse it. Okay, so that you can make a comment. Okay, so this is the one, this is the way. Okay, third thing we are going to learn is like how to create, like suppose I want to undo this change. Okay, so how can I do it? So for that, you'll have to go it here. You will have to go to Teams, or let's suppose I am going to this file. Okay, uh, let's go to this file. I want to see it in the package explorer. So in package explorer. Okay, so here is the file, my file which I'm interested in. Now I need to go to Teams, and what I need to do to undo the changes. So here that option is not coming. Okay, here that option is not coming. How we can undo or replace it with add revision? So I'll go to the commit again and see here. Okay, first, if I suppose replace with head revision, this is the option coming here. Okay, this is the option that I have to select, and the changes will be removed. Let's see what happens. Discard the changes. Okay, see, you can see the changes are gone. So this is the way. So if I go to the checkout controller, you can see here all the changes were undo. Like they are gone now. Okay, so this is the way we can undo our changes in a particular file. So that's it from my side. Thank you guys.